ए औरत, औकात में रहे। मुझसे जबान लड़ाएगी ना तो जिंदा गाड़ दूंगी।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
अबे, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। Wow, wow. Look at that chick. She's got all the shapes perfect, huh? Hey girl, you're so hot, baby.
आबाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन
Mother, happy Independence Day. Yeah, I'm just on my way. है माल तो देखो कमाल की है। अच्छा रे, चलेगी रात को? हाय हाय, खुश रहेंगे दोनों।
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं।
शादी के बाद ना हस्बैंड की बात सुनना सीख लो तू। तेरी खुद की यहाँ नहीं चलेगी। शादी के बाद तुम्हारी लाइफ खत्म। मैं तेरी हस्बैंड हूँ, समझी कि समझाओ?
आबाद रहे तू।
हाँ भाई, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। बेटा, रात गई। ये समय को औरत को बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए ना। और ये कपड़े तो देखो, ऐसे कपड़े पहनेगी ना तो सब लोग यही समझेंगे तो कोई बुलावा दे रही है। अरे यार, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। ये रिश्ता तेरे लिए 100% करेक्ट है, तो चुपचाप शादी कर ले उससे। नहीं, मैं नहीं मानने वाला हूँ। बोल दे रहा हूँ पहले। तू इसी से शादी करेगी मतलब करेगी। तेरे हाँ या ना से मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ने वाला।
कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं।
हाँ, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। बेबी, आई लव यू। बेबी, आई ट्रूली रियली लव यू। अब तू नहीं मानेगी ना, तेरी मुंह पे एसिड फेंक दूंगा मैं। मान।
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू।
हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे।
ಯುಗಾಲೆನ್ನಿ ಸಾಗಿನ ಆಗದು ಈ ಮೃತ್ಯು ಕೇಳಿ ಮಗುವನು ವಿಷನಾಗೈ ನಿಂಗೆ ವೈಕುಂಠ ಪಾಳಿ ಕರುಣಲೇನಿ ಸಮಾಜಾನ ತರುಣಿಕೇದಿ ಸ್ಥಾನ.
No, it's not a happy Independence Day for us. Neither is the independence we have happy, or neither there is independence for us. Yani, for women. We don't have that independence you wish us for. Happy Independence Day. No, we don't have that independence with us. It's not that I'm not a part of India, or I'm not a patriarchy, or whatever you might call me after this. But trust me, I respect the freedom fighters. I respect this day. This day was brought to us by the freedom fighters that gave us freedom from the Britishers. The freedom for India, not for the people in it, especially not for the women in it. All of us know the meaning of independence, right? But let me just remind you it once again. What true independence means? That means every individual in this country is free. Every individual is free. Wow, great to hear. But free from what? Free from the thoughts, the pushings that the society do. Everything. Every individual has a choice to make for his or her life, right? But what happens when it comes to a woman? No, it's not independence for us. We're still dependent on some or the other way. I wish the freedom fighters were still there. I wish they were still there to fight. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि they should have foreseen the situation right now. Only then they should have fought for the freedom of women, not for the freedom. I know freedom of India was necessary, but at the same time, freedom of women is also necessary. And I wish the freedom fighters still fought for us. हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे ना मुझे सिर्फ टेक्स्ट बुक्स और हिस्ट्री बुक्स में ही दिखती है. इट इज़ जस्ट सीन इन द टेक्स्ट बुक्स वी रीड. देयर इज़ नथिंग दैट इज़ इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन द रियलिटी. नो, इट इज़ नॉट. We say India is an independent country, yet ask women to be dependent. Now please don't deny the fact. It is a fact. It might not be in your family, but somewhere in the whole world, there is some girl fighting for her independence, fighting for her life, fighting for the choice she should take for herself. So next time when you wish happy Independence Day, especially to a girl, know that she's not independent yet. We want independence from the cheap looks we get. We want independence from the judgment they pass us. We want independence from every shit that we face. We want independence to take the decisions for us. We want independence to have the life we want, to have the life in the way we want. We want independence from everything, literally everything. For the society, independence for a woman means that she is having a job, she is earning for herself, and that means she is independent. Boom, magic. She's financially independent, and that is all. No, that is not our independent. Earning is a common source for everyone these days. Anyone can earn, but that is not the independence we want. It is a part of the independence. That is not a point that I make here, but independence comes in every way, and we want that. I remember a saying that was said by Gandhiji that says, ఏ రోజైతే అమ్మాయి రాత్రి 12 గంటలకు ఒక్కతే తిరగలుగుతుందో ఆ రోజు నిజమైన స్వతంత్రత వచ్చినట్టే. That means when a girl can roam alone on the streets in the night, only then we get our independence. Bhagavan, that's a dream, yeah? That's really a cool dream every girl dream of. If you can relate to what I say, if you understand, if you agree, then only you can understand the pain and the agony of what I'm speaking right now. It's not just me in this, it's the whole women fraternity in this. We're all in this. So it's not just me talking, it is Anusha speaking on behalf of all the girls out there who don't have voice, who are just forced to shut up, who are just, hiding in the darkest places of their life so that they can't speak or they aren't allowed to speak. I am their voice today. So next time when you wish me happy Independence Day, make sure you give that independence to me, to everyone, literally every girl in your life around. Every girl deserves to be independent, right? So let's just start that change. I respect the freedom fighters, I respect what they did, but I don't want to read it from the books, not anymore. I want to be a freedom fighter. Yes, I fight for my dreams, I fight for my individuality, my independence. So I'm also a freedom fighter and I want to fight. I don't want to look back to those who did good. I want to be the good myself. I want to bring the change myself. I want to stand in a position where people look up to me, are proud of me. I know many look up to me, or I'm the voice of many who can't speak. So I should be the fighter that start this. I should be the voice to raise this. Yes, I'm a freedom fighter and I'm not in the books. I'm still breathing. So, fighting for my own rights and you call me feminist? Then here I am. I'm a feminist, bro. Stay away. Truly, really, we want this independence. Sooner or later is just a word. Happy Independence Day is just a statement now. We want to make it happen. We want the independence that we deserve, that we were thought of. It should not be a lesson in a textbook. It should be a practicality in the society. And don't wish me happy Independence Day. No, there's no happy in the independence we have, and there's no really truly independence for us. So no, it's not a happy Independence Day for me. From this time when you say "ए वतन मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू," also say, women, you also be free from all the clutches that are holding you back. I am not the "ए लड़की छोकरी चोरी माल या कमाल वाली" you call. No, I'm a girl. Yes, I'm a queen for myself, and you have no fucking rights to call me in every name you want. Please respect, and you are educated, right? So start giving the independence you wish for. Release us from all the clutches that society give us to hold back. Release us from all the gandhi nazar you give us, that means the bad eyes you watch us with, and remove us from every decision we make. You shouldn't make decisions for us. Only then it will be a truly, really happy Independence Day for us.